Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will discuss few more group policies. Coming to first policy. Sorry. So through group policy, we can run the scripts. Through group policy, we can run the scripts in the servers. And other policies, using group policy, we can redirect the folders. And using group policies, we can uh, audit the uh, missions, audit the servers, and through group policy, uh, configure preference using item level targeting. So using group policies, these are the different when compared to yesterday's class. These group policies are quite different than yesterday's group policies. So first, how to apply, how to run scripts using group policies. Okay, first let's start the uh, group policy. Using group policy, we'll execute one small script in missions. So let me log into domain controller where we can apply, where we can create policies. Here we create policies, right, in domain controller. This is the client missions. So like we will have a n number of client missions in the real time. So in TCS Infosys, if you say there are thousands and lakhs of missions, client missions, because the employees are more than 1 lakh, 2 lakhs employees in TCS Wipro. So they usually have more than 1 lakh client missions. But here we have only one client mission for testing purpose. Okay, after login to the domain controller, go to group policy management and open Active Directory use and computers as well. So this is Active Directory. Okay, now I'm going to create a small script. I'm going to create a small VB script. Go to Notepad. See here the script is just the scripts only displays messages. That's it. Okay. Save this script as .vbe file. This is logon logon.vb. VB means VB script. So in let's save in the documents or downloads first. Okay, close it, downloads. Copy this. One moment. There are group policies applying. Let me delete those group policies. See, because here the my computer, I'm searching for my computer. Yeah, it's there, right? See, nothing is showing up because of group policy. Yesterday we applied, right? So remove my computer. Because of this group policy, I could not open my computer. See, where is C drive, D drive? I cannot see C drive, D drive because of these group policies. So let's remove this, delete. Okay. Okay. Now GP update. Go to command prompt. GP update. Any other group policies we are applying? No. IT, sales. Okay. See, now I'm able to see drives. Because of group policy, even we couldn't see my computer in domain controller as well. Okay. Now copy this or cut this and open the drive. Create a folder here, script. Paste here. Okay. Paste in this. Right click on it. Give sharing permissions to everyone. But in real time, we need to share only particular people, whoever needs this script. So I'm giving everyone read write. So this is the file. NIC path, network path. Okay. Now go to group policy management. Okay. So to which you would like to which group you want to apply. So I'm applying sales. On a sales OU, I'm going to apply this script. Means this script will run when these users log on to the missions. Only these users. Because I'm applying script on sales organizational unit. So that script will apply only to these users. On to these users. Okay, fine. Right click on it, create a GPO. And give name you like. What is the name? Script, logon script, some logon script. Okay, right click on it, edit. Right click on it, edit, and expand. Expand users, policies, user configuration, policies, and expand the Windows settings and go to scripts. Go to scripts. So here there is a log on, log off script. Right click on it, go to properties. Here add. So you need to add the script here. You need to add the script here. So browse and give enter. So you have to give the network path where the script is there. So select script. Okay. And next, okay, apply. Okay, click OK. That's it. Now let's verify this script will work or not. Log off. So whoever means I applied a script on sales OU. So who are there in the sales OU? S1, S2, S3, S4, and ARN users, right? So this script will apply on these accounts only. So let's check now. S1. So I'm trying to log in with S1. And we forgot GP update. GP update. We need to run GP update. Run GP update here. Usually this policy will take little more time to affect. Okay. See, oh, it is so quick. Welcome to Microsoft. So when I log in S1, the script ran and shows welcome to Microsoft. What script is showing here? Right click on it. Open with Notepad. Welcome to Microsoft. This is what, right? Okay, good. Next, I'll try to log in with I'll try to log in with other user account, which is not in the sales OU. See, if you log in with any user, you will get welcome to Microsoft message because the script working on these users. Okay, let me log in with other account which is not in the sales OU. J is the account. Okay, let me log in with J. I should not get message because J is not in the sales OU, is out of the sales OU. So the script will not run on J user because we applied script on only sales OU. So in sales OU, who are there? S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, and ARN. So see, I didn't get any message. This is how we can apply scripts using group policies. Okay, next, folder redirection. So folder redirection. So in the name itself, we can say redirection means redirection of folders on a local computer on a shared folder. Folders on the server appears as if they are located on the local drive. Fasten the user logon process in case if the profile is large. See, folder redirection. Redirection means we are redirecting the data from one place to another place. But if you feel the folder is on your desktop, but that usually redirect somewhere else. See, this is the file. What is this file path? Go to properties. See, the file is in C users J desktop. This is the location, right? I can redirect this data to somewhere else. That is called redirection. I can redirect the data to somewhere else. So why we need redirect the data? So in the real time, for example, data, I don't have any space in this machine. So I should redirect my data to somewhere else. But the data is showing here. The data showing on my desktop, but actually this data will store in somewhere else. In the situation, we usually use redirection, folder redirection. Okay, so let's redirect the data to somewhere else using group policy. Okay, next group policy is folder redirection. Go to group policy management. So first we need to create a folder, shared folder. Let's go to here. I'm creating a folder. Shared info, some random shared info. Okay, right click on it, go to everyone and give read and write permissions. So I gave read and write permissions. It's an empty folder. I gave permissions, share permissions to everyone. Okay. Then go to group policy management console. Okay. So I'm going to apply this policy on sales. On sales. Right click on it, go to create a GPO. Folder redirection. Folder redirection. Click OK. Right click on it, edit. Expand this. Expand this. And Windows settings. Folder redirection. So here on desktop, whatever we are creating data on desktop, that will be redirect. That will be redirect to somewhere else. Somewhere else means I created a folder here, shared info, right? So redirect to shared info, right? Right click on desktop, go to properties. Here you need to give the path. Here you need to give the path. Settings, and here basic. So what is the path here? We need to give the path here. Which path we have created, right? Shared info. So what is the path? Win -ad slash shared info. This is the path. You need to give this network path. Give the network path here. Okay, or else you can browse here and path. You can select the path, but path should be in network path. Okay. Now apply. Yes. Click OK. That's it. So now before applying the policy, what is the username? Jaykrit, right? Let me log off. And this policy applying on which sales organization unit. Who are there in sales? S1, S2, S3. So before applying the policy, let me check before and after. Okay. S1. See, what is this path? Right click on it, properties. See, users S1 desktop. It is show this file is stored on in this mission at in C users S1 desktop. Okay, let me create few more files. Okay, some random in name properties. C users desktop. Right click on it. C users S1 desktop. See, the data is creating in this mission in desktop, right? Okay. This is before applying the policy. Now I will apply the GP update and close this and close this, close everything so that updated. So now the policy is applying on sales OU on these users. So now let's check. Just log off once and log in again because the policy will apply. Okay, now So if you create anything on the desktop now after applying policy, if you create anything on the desktop, that will not stored in this machine. Okay, so let me go to command prompt, gp update, run gp update, because we don't have time to wait. So that is the reason we are just running gp update. So to forcefully apply the policies, update the policy, because it will take, usually it will take time to update. Okay, now right click on it. I'm just creating a file. Okay, just file. Right click on it, go to properties. See, if you see, what is the location now? WinAD, shared info, S1 desktop. See, the location was different before and after. See, before, yeah, now all is, yeah, I think everyone, all the files redirect to this one. Before it was C users S1 desktop, right? Now it is, everything is redirected. See, coming to here, S1 desktop, see, created. You cannot see because this is a S1 user information. So it is a privacy. No other users cannot open the S1 users information. So that is the reason. So Windows cannot access. Okay, fine. See, now the redirection. All the data is redirected to server in shared info. Okay. Okay. So let me check with other account which is not part of sales OU. Which is not part of sales OU. Means J. J is users OU, not sales OU, right? Let's check with J. Okay. Now let me create any file. Okay, folder. Right click on it, go to properties. See, it is storing locally. It is storing locally. The file is storing locally. Folder is storing locally, not redirecting. But when you log in with any user which are in sales OU, the data will be redirected. Data will be redirected. So this is out of sales OU user. So that is the reason it is by default is storing in locally. Storing in locally. Log off. Let me log in with S4. Okay. S4. Did you get it, guys? Any questions?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, good. So let me check with S4 user also. See, for every who are in the sales OU, the desktop items will be redirect to a server, because we are applying policy on sales OU. So in sales OU, these are the users. So these users desktop items or desktop data will be redirect to server. because we applied a policy. Okay. See, welcome to Microsoft. Now let me create a file. Right click on it, go to properties. See, it is redirecting because policy is applying. Policy is saying redirect the data to server. Server to which, to where? Shared info folder. So that is folder redirection. So coming to auditing. What is auditing? Auditing policy configure a system to audit categories of activities. If audit policy is not enabled, server will not audit those activities. See, server like a human brain. We never know what's happening in the brain until unless that except person. Okay, except that person, others never know what's going on particular human brain. Even I know what's going on in my human brain, and you know what's going on in your brain, right? So, but in the system, we should know what's going on in the system because we are managing the system. We should understand the system. We should understand the system. If any errors, warnings, messages, information, we should know. Then only we can manage very well. Otherwise, we cannot, right? So, for example, if you go to tools, event viewer. See, the event viewer tells everything what's going on in the system. Event, see, this is application, security, setup, system, forward events, and many more. See, in Active Directory, DFS, many more, each and every. See, so everything system, see, system doesn't have a voice to tell us, right? System telling the issues, information, warnings, errors, issues through event viewer. So system conveying what's happening in the system through event viewer. Okay, so based on this information, we act. Usually we act because system cannot convey, system doesn't have voice to convey this is the issue in the system, please look into it. So only system conveying the information through event viewer, through event viewer. By seeing this event viewer, and we act accordingly, right? So I want to audit particular events. I want to audit particular events through group policy because everything is recording in this. If you delete anything, if you add anything, if you start anything, if you restart anything, everything will be recorded. Everything will be recorded. System will record every action here. Okay. Coming to audit policy, see, every policy usually audit, but if you particularly some tasks, activities may not audit because that is not important. For example, if you create anything, sometimes may record, sometimes may not record. But make sure if you want to record your event, particularly your event, if you would like to record your event in the event log, you can make a group policy. You can make a group policy. For example, login. So usually many people are used to usually log in the systems. So the system may not log that, may not record that event. But if you would like to record that event, you can do using group policy. Okay, so let's create a group policy for auditing. Auditing means every. I think audit. I think this word is many of you are familiar with this word audit. Audit means verifying the records. Okay, previous events, auditing the previous events and current events. So go to group policy management. Okay, and here where you want to audit, I'm going to audit something on domain controller. So DC is a domain controller. So I'm going to audit here. So I will create a policy here in this mission. Sorry. AUDITN, auditing user account management. User account management. So I'm going to audit user account management. Means when I create a user, that information should lock or create in the event. Okay. Right click on it, edit, expand, and go to computer configuration. Okay. Under the computer configuration, policies, under the policies, Windows settings. Okay, then security settings. See, I'm creating a policy on the particular computer. So far, I created a policy on users, groups. Now I'm creating a policy on computer, on particular computer. So go to settings, security settings. Here, one moment, advanced, advanced audit policy configuration. Expand this. Okay, audit policy, expand this. Here, account management. See here the policy, select, right click on it. Expand this. Okay. Now audit user management. See here, audit user management. So what this policy is saying, configure success failures. See, if any user got created in the Active Directory, should record in the event log. Or if any user failed to create or fail to create, also record. Even failure events or success events, both I'm asking to record. Apply. If you want more information, you can read it here. This is policy information. How the policy is working, you can read it here. Okay. So I'm creating a policy when the user got created or when the user failed to create. Also record. Okay. Now close. Just close it. Close it. GP update. Okay. Now I'm going to create a user in anywhere you can create user here. Here, yeah, I would like to delete this user. Delete test 1, 2, 3. Yes. So if I delete the user, there is no proof that I'm deleted the user, right? But I applied a policy, auditing policy. So this will record in the event viewer. Let's check. Go to security and refresh. Open this log. See, user account was deleted. Who deleted the user account? Administrator deleted the user account. Which account targeted? Test 1, 2, 3. See, this is auditing. So in auditing, every action will be recorded. Who deleted, what they deleted, everything will be recorded. That is called auditing. So this is auditing. So there is no miss the account activity. Every activity will be recorded. So if I create, let's create an account. Let me create an account here. ABC. You just user account ABC. ABC. Password. Created ABC. So now just refresh. What is the time? 11:12 last event. Refresh. 11:13. Open. See, a user account was enabled. A user account was enabled. Who enabled? Administrator. What is that account? ABC. See, every action is recording now. Every action about only user management. Only user management. So if I create a group, let's see, will this record if I create a group? ARN Krit. I'm just creating a group Krit. Created. Will this record? No, it will not record. It will not record. So what is the last 11:13? See, why it is not recording? Because we didn't enable that event in the auditing. Only I enable if the user got deleted or if the user got created. If any complete user management, only when the user is log the create an event in the security. If the account is deleted, create an event in the event log. But if I create a group, it will not, because we didn't enable the event. So let's go to group policy management. Right click on it, go to edit, expand, policies, window settings, security, advanced, auditing policy, and account management. In the account management, we didn't enable group. See, audit application group management, audit security group management. Let's enable security group management. Apply. OK. Apply. OK. Now, if any group is created, then it will log an event in the event viewer. Just close it. GP update. See, just refresh it. Still It's done. Okay. Now let me create in a group now. RAM is the group. Okay. RAM group got created. Now let's see, is this recorded in this event log or not? Refresh. Open. See. A security enabled global group was created. Who created? Administrator. What is the group name? RAM. So now it is started recording. Now it is started logging the event. Logging the event in the auditing. See, likewise, we can particular event can record in the log using group policies. So if I delete, let's delete this. Sorry. If I delete one, delete, and Krith, delete, delete. So what is the last event? 11/17. Let's refresh. 11/18. Open. A security enabled global group was deleted. What is Krith? Refresh it. Open this. Krith was deleted. And what about ROM? Yeah. A security enabled global group was deleted. Who deleted? Administrator. What group deleted? ROM. See everything you can. This is auditing. This is auditing. So using group policy, we can audit actions, events, activities. So that's it. Auditing policy. Next, group policy preferences. What is group policy preferences? Group policy preferences provides a better targeting through item level targeting and action modes. Additionally, a rich user interface and standard based XML configuration provide you with a more power and flexibility or managed computer when your administrators GPOs. So if you read this, you cannot understand. If I explain, you will understand. So this is what is a pure technical definition. So example of new group policy preferences, extensions including folder options, map drives, printers, and schedule tasks, services, and start menu settings. See, item level targeting. Item level targeting. For example, if you target something, that will only happen. For example, I want to log in this system, but I will log into the system is one target. Second target, I will log in the system when the system running on only Windows 7 condition. No, I will log into the system when the system having Windows Server 2012. So that is targeting. So you are aiming, targeting. So whatever you are aiming, you're targeting that. So that is item level targeting. So let's do this, how this will work. Okay, item level targeting. Go to group policy, group policy management. Okay, and you can apply on any, okay, IT, who are in IT. I'm everything applying on sales. IT tester. Okay, sales. Okay, tester. Okay, let's apply on IT organization unit. Right click on it create a GPO. This is item level targeting. What is preferences map network drive? See, my aim is to create a network mapped drive. Create a network mapped drive. See, creating a network mapped drive on IT organization unit. In IT, who are there? Tester is a user, IT support is a user. Let me reset the, okay, tester. Let me create another user called Anand. Okay, I'm creating a user because here no much user accounts, so created a user account. Okay, so I'm applying policy. I'm applying policy in IT. What policy? What policy? Create a mapped drive. Okay, that's fine. So this mapped drive will create in all users, right? No, here not like that. It's creating mapped drive, but there are preferences. There are preferences. Let's do the preferences. Okay, edit, go to users preferences. Okay, and Windows settings. In Windows settings, map drive. Drive maps. Right click on it, create map drive. Okay. So here, if I create a map drive here, the map drive will be shown in every user. In every user. But there are conditions. There are conditions which I'm going to place it now. What the conditions? Yeah, let's check the conditions. Right click on it. New map drive. Oh, it's running already. Okay, okay. Yeah, this one. So go to here. Label. Which map drive you want to place in the let's map drive. I need a folder here. Some drive. D drive. Let me create a folder here. One folder. My drive. Some my drive. Right click on it. Go to share. Give the share permissions to everyone. Okay. This is a path. Done. Go to here. Yeah. Go to here. Enter the location. Location I pasted. Location I pasted. So which drive you want to give? I want to give Z. So drive letter Z for my map drive. Okay. Okay. Apply.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Apply. Now go to common. Common here. Select item level targeting. If I keep here, every user will get this map drive. But I'm item level targeting. I'm targeting, aiming to whom? Click targeting, select operating system. Let's select operating system. operating system. Here Windows 7, any means any edition, any release, any computer role, any computer role. Apply, okay, right? Close. See, all users whoever part of IT, whoever part of IT organization unit, whoever part of IT organization unit will get this map drive for sure. So whoever part of this IT organization unit will get the map drive, my drive map drive. But there is a condition. What is the condition I gave? Windows 7 operating system. They should have a Windows 7 operating system in their missions. Those accounts will see the map drive. Okay, let's see GP update. Meantime, I will power on other mission to check. Anant is the user. Anant. Let me log on. See, the map drive will show up if the mission should have a Windows 7 operating system. If the user log into any other operating system mission, the user cannot see the map drive. That is condition targeting, aiming targeting. Okay, let's see. So in the IT, Anant tester are the users. Now go to, see, here you can see my drive. Here you can see my drive. But the same user, if the same user log into any other operating system mission, the user cannot see the drive. Okay, this is the domain controller, right? So that is the reason the user cannot log in. Okay, let me give permissions to user. Let me add this user to administrator group. No other member servers here. Yes, we don't have. Okay, let me add this user to domain controller, domain admins for some just checking purpose. For checking purpose, I'm just adding this user to this group. I'm making the user as a domain admin. Or else, so it usually takes time. One moment. We don't have any other missions with different operating system. We have only DC, ADC, and this one. These are child domain and all. So, yeah. Still, it takes time. Let me run GP update. Meantime, we can also go to group policy management, edit, The settings, security. Hmm. Okay, leave it. Now let's check. Still not able to log in. One moment. Domain controller. Default domain controller. Go to edit. Here also we can allow other users to log in policies. Sorry, other users to log in domain controller. Windows settings. Here, account policy. In account policy, expand this. This is the other method to allow other users to log in. Allow logon locally. Okay, add Anant. So I'm allowing Anant user to log into domain controllers. Okay, see Anant added. Either way, you can now still okay. Just GP update takes time usually. Close it, close, close, run GP update. Close everything. Now try. 1 second. Let me first log in with administrator and run GP update. GP update. Okay. Now sign out and log in with Anant. ARN slash. It's taking a lot of time to replicate and let me run GP update again. GP update. Let me check ARN. There is a ARN user. ARN. Okay. Yeah, ARN is working. So it takes time to. Let me log off. Sign out. Now, Anant. Yeah. I think it's take a lot of time and day. Okay, no problem. I'll do one thing then. See, anyone ARN is working, right? So I will move this. I will move this. Move this IT. I'm moving the user to IT organizational unit from sales to IT. Okay. Yeah, it's moved. Now, see, now ARN is in IT organizational unit. So if you log into here, log off, log into here using ARN, ARN, ARN password. Okay. Open. See, you can see this is different. My computer, this is different. Disconnect. GP update. It usually takes a lot of time to update. GP update. Let me check. Yeah. Still. Okay. Now my computer. These are all replication problems. Log off. Log in. See, this is my drive. Yeah. Now we are able to see my drive because ARN is in IT organizational unit. That is the reason able to see map drive, my drive, right? Network map drive able to see. Let's log into ARN here. ARN. Open. Why I'm not able to see here? Can anyone tell me why I'm not able to see here? See the same user, I can see network map drive in this mission, but in this mission, I couldn't see the map drive. Why? Because we targeted only Windows 7 missions. So what are the missions you log into Windows missions, then only you can see this map drive. If the same user log into other missions, see, this is Windows 2012. So that is the reason not seen here. This is Windows 7. That is the reason we are able to see here. See, let me change. Go to group policy. IT. Right click on it. Go to edit. Expand. Preferences. Map drive. Right click on it. Properties. Give. I'm just giving X drive. Just changing. If you want to change, you can change, or else you can. Yeah. So common. Go to common. Item level targeting. See here Windows 7. If I change Windows Server Windows Server 22. What is the version of this? Let me check. Microsoft Windows Server 2012 R2 edition, right? So now my target is Windows R2 family. Any edition, any release, anything. Okay, apply. So now my target is different. Windows Server 2012 R2. Okay, apply. Okay, close it. Close it. GP update. Run GP update. So now we will check with the same user in a different operating systems missions. Okay, let update. Okay, now I'm able to see, because the target is Windows 7. That is the reason I'm able to see mapped drive, network mapped drive, the same user. But here I couldn't see, right? Log off. Just log off. Sign out. Now log in back. Now log in back. Go to my computer. Still, okay. The policy is not updating. Still it is showing up. It should not show up. GP update. Because we changed the target. Still, GP update. Now log off. Again, log off and log in. Log out. Now log in. Go to my computer. Still it is showing up. I think it will take time to uh, update. See, the same user, but log into different operating systems missions, then the target, if whatever you're targeting, that target is here, only show up only Windows 7 missions. Then that is the reason it's showing up here. Now I changed network map drive show up in only Windows Server 2012 missions. Then it should, the network map drive should show up here and should disappear here. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I will restart. I will restart these missions. Then only it will update. Otherwise, it will take long time to update the policies. But in the real time, there is no hurry. So it will take time to update. Or else, if you want to update immediately, run GP update. Sometimes GP update also takes a lot of time to update the policies. Administrator. I'm just restarting the missions. Now it is started. Login. The testing part is usually takes time than implementation. No, it is. 1 second, let me rerun GP update here. And let me review again if I did any mistakes, or go to group policy management, right click on it, edit, preferences, map drive, right click on it, properties, common, item level targeting. See, Windows Server 2012 family, R2 family. Yeah, perfect. Any addition, any. Yeah, we are good actually. I think it usually takes time. ARN. No, ARN. Yeah, now it is showing C. Now my drive is showing in Windows Server 2012. Before it wasn't, right? Now it is showing because the policy is applying. But the same user, if you, I think the same user, if you log into any other machines like Windows 7, any Windows 8, Windows 10, it will not show up. It will not show up because see, so replication, it takes time to replicate the policy. Sorry, my computer. Now it is still showing because let me run GP update here. So that's all for today, guys. Any questions? It takes time. We cannot wait until this apply the policy here. Any questions? See, here it is showing up. It will disappear after some time because our target is only Windows 7, Windows 2012 missions. So when the user log into Windows 12 missions, you can see the map drive. When the same user log into other missions like Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10, any other missions, you cannot see this map drive because our target is only Windows Server 2012 R2 missions. So this is called item level targeting. You're aiming and targeting particular operating system. So any questions, guys? It will disappear after some time. It takes time usually. Any questions?
No, sir.
Thank you all. Thanks for joining. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Guys, I just want to, I would like to know if you are interested to join tomorrow. I will take the class because we took a lot of gaps. So if you are interested, I will take class tomorrow. If you're not, we'll meet on Monday. Okay, please update to management.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you.
Let's see the last. No, still it's showing. It takes time to disappear. It will disappear. Okay. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
See you
Thank
on
you.
Monday. Yeah.